listen to a talk and speak about what you heard. There are 2 listen and speak tasks in this part of the test. You will hear each talk only one time. You may take notes while you listen. You may use your notes to help you prepare your answer. You will have time to prepare your answer before you begin to speak. You will be told when to prepare and when to begin speaking. For each task, do your best to listen carefully to the talk, answer the question clearly and completely, talk about the important parts from the talk, and give some details about them. Click Next when you are ready to begin. Listen to a teacher talking in a history class. The teacher is discussing a history assignment.
Okay, so everyone remember, tomorrow we'll be going to the library. You'll have a couple of assignments for your history class. We'll start the first one at the library.
Yes. Do we need to bring our history books with us?
No, the information we'll be looking for is not in our textbooks. That's why we're going to the library. So, for the first part of the lesson, you'll have a worksheet, which you'll have to work on while you're at the library tomorrow. At the library, you'll be looking for information about very old cities, in particular about how people used to get their water a long time ago in those old cities. You can research this topic in books and articles, and then you'll use the information you find to answer the questions on the worksheet that I'll give you. Yes, Helen.
Oh yeah. When do we have to turn in the worksheet?
Good question. The completed worksheet is due at the end of our visit to the library tomorrow. Okay, so let me tell you about the other assignment that you're going to have to complete. The other assignment I'd like you to work on will be for homework. You'll have to use the internet. Your assignment will be to look for information about how people who live in modern cities, like the big cities today, get their water. You'll have to write a short paragraph about what you find. Well, this second assignment is not due until next week. Okay, that's it for today. So remember, we're going to meet here in class before going to the library. See you tomorrow.
Now get ready to answer the question. Imagine that your classmate was not in class today. Tell your classmate about what the history teacher asked the students to do. Be sure to talk about the following: the library, the worksheet, the homework. Begin to prepare after the beep.
Hey, you missed history class today. The teacher talked about what we're going to do tomorrow. We're going to a library to do some research about ancient cities and how people used to get water a long time ago. The teacher will give us a worksheet that we need to complete while we're there, using books and articles from the library to find answers. Also, we have homework assignment. For homework, we have to use the internet or to find information about how people in modern cities get their water today, and then write a short paragraph about what we find. The worksheet is due tomorrow. Hey, you missed history class today. The teacher talked about what we're going to do tomorrow. We're going to the library to do some research about ancient cities and how people used to get water a long time ago. The teacher will give us a worksheet that we need to complete while we're there, using books and articles from the library to find the answers. Also, we have a homework assignments. For homework, we have to use the internet to find information about how people in modern cities get their water today, and then write a short paragraph about what we find. The worksheet is due tomorrow after a library visit, and homework is due the next week.